Welcome to Real Life Investing. This is Al getting in contact with you guys, talking about Turbo and Toshi, part of my favorite meme pair. Anyways, let's just go ahead and talk about this real quick. At this particular time, Turbo is up about 3%. It's at 0.0059. Really got lots more room to run. Notice that Turbo is not close to a penny as of yet, but just a heads up, Turbo has been over a penny, so the all-time high is nowhere near close. Remember, whatever we see today, if you like what you see today, we just ask you to like and subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate you guys for, how can I say, coming on board today. Appreciate you. Now, let's go ahead and look at the 7-day for this one. Ooh, my. 7-day is up 55% for Turbo. That's a lot. The 1 month is up 44%. The year, I think it's up quite a bit. Yeah, 34. That means we got a lot of room to run with Turbo, even though we've seen these pumps, that Turbo has a long way to run. Market cap is a little bit over 400 million, so that's excellent. So Turbo has a long way to go. Remember, whatever we say on the channel is not financial advice, so keep that in mind. We're going to keep it rocking and rolling, though. Now, Toshi is up today 31.86%. Very nice. Let's look at that 7-day. 7-day is up over 40%, 40.87 as a matter of fact. The 1 month, it is up 32.5%. So just a heads up, let's take a look at that year. On the year is up even more so than Turbo. So it's up like it's 150 something percent. That's pretty good. So just saying, this particular market cap is at 300 million. So just a heads up, these guys usually run neck and neck, but Turbo has been outperforming Toshi. How can I say on a more recent basis? Just saying. So heads up on that. Cryptocurrency. Let's look at the stuff that's going on right now. And Bitcoin is at 119,000 at the moment. Ethereum is looking really good at 300. No, I'm sorry, not 300. My bad. Correction. $3,359 dollars. So looking pretty good there. Fear and Greed is at 68. Market cap's 3.81 trillion, going up pretty well. A lot of great things that are happening. XRP over $3 for a change. It's been at 2 something for like eternity. So that's very nice. See a lot of cryptos out here that still have a long ways to run, which is why we're going to continue to talk about several of those. Now, just to say this, we want to get in as low as possible. You see these pumps, don't start buying stuff. Just wait till everything cools off. So wait for a tough day in the market, please, before you start doing that. We're not telling people to buy stuff on pumps. Enough people have done that in the past. We don't want to do that. Now, Bitcoin dominance is at 62.3%. Ethereum is at 10.7%. This is really good. We're not, in the heart of alt season as of yet, but just to give you a heads up, when Ethereum's going up like this, it's making it look pretty good for us. So we'll see that as time goes along. Now, things are going well. Let's go ahead and start looking at some news just a little bit. So right here it says, with volume skyrocketing 283%, will Turbo pick up speed and go the distance? In my opinion, I would say yes. So let's kind of keep it moving a little bit. Talking about the technical analysis of Turbo. And so let's talk about the bullish outlook. We know Turbo is going to be on the way up. So I just want to see if I can get this in here real good for you guys. See if there's anything we want to talk about in particular. I'm just going to read this real quick. It says, as reported by CMC data at press time, Turbo trades around 0.005. We talked about that today, with its market cap reaching a mark of approximately 400 million a year. Says, meanwhile, the trading volume has exploded So moreover, during this period, the market has witnessed a 24-hour liquidation in Turbo. So we're looking at some good things that are happening. Turbo's headed in the right trajectory with that increase in volume. My bad. Sorry, guys. But with that increase in volume, things are going pretty well. I think Turbo is going to keep skyrocketing. Um, when we get these little cool off periods, though, let's go. It's always a good time to jump in. So wait till it cools off again, then scoop it up while it's low and while it's in the red. Now let's keep it moving. Why Toshi? See if it's got a little bit of information here. Why Toshi Coin is more than a trend. A look at its role in Web3 culture. So let's see. Toshi is, according to this, Toshi is a meme coin in the face of Base, operates on the Ethereum Layer 2 blockchain as Base's mascot, and a vibrant example of Web3 and cryptocurrency culture. Don't be fooled. Toshi Coin embraces the meme coin space and is rolling out its practical utility. I think this is the part that we have to understand that Toshi also has utility. So let's scroll down a little bit. Meme coin and more. This is what we want to read here. It says the Toshi meme coin takes its name from a real life cat. We already know that a little bit, most of us, who laid out the framework for decentralized finance. The name's origin inspires Toshi's purpose. It's more than just a meme, it's progressively becoming a meaningful contributor to a larger ecosystem. So this is another thing that has been created, the Meow DAO, decentralized autonomous organization, is Toshi's introduction to community-based governance. Started with the creation of a DAO foundation, followed by the Toshi Council to establish the pillars. Now the Meow DAO marks a significant point of evolution for a meme coin, with Toshi becoming a fully decentralized organization focused on community empowerment. So just a heads up on this, guys. This is looking pretty good. And also they're talking about the NFTs here. NFT Toshi 2.0. So part of its community-centric growth is revamped its NFT ecosystem. So it says NFT Toshi 2.0 offers members a refreshed collection of 5,000 NFTs. Now, Toshi Tools, another part of this. So we're talking about a lot of utility for a meme coin. I'm just saying that it's a lot. Says, in addition to supporting the creators with NFTs, Toshi empowers developers and traders with a suite of decentralized apps, dApps called Toshi Tools. So it says the suite's first tool analyzes and tracks wallets on the Ethereum blockchain to give users analytics and insight based on top wallet trading behaviors. The bulk of Toshi Tools comes through for developers with tools to facilitate creation and management on the blockchain. So you got your token locker. This is good. It says used to vest or lock team tokens, liquidity locker, secure liquidity, and showcase stability. Multi-sender, a robust tool for large-scale transactions. You got your Launchpad, a safe and simple platform for project fundraising. And you also have your token launcher used for simplified token creation and development. So right here, Toshi Tools is the active development of an ecosystem that tends to last, drawing the attention of members with diverse priorities, including hobbyists, longtime traders, and cat lovers. So community-driven coin of Web3, just saying this is an awesome article giving us a nice, huge breakdown of everything Toshi. So just let us realize that Toshi coin is more than a trend. So we definitely know that for certain. But like I said, it's always good to get that extra bit of information. Some of you know a lot of this already, but at the same time, we just got to keep reminding you just a little bit, right? So anyways, don't forget this awesome site that we see for Turbo. Don't forget, oh, you know what? They were on, let's see, what did you call it? They were on 125 plus spot exchanges, but now according to this, there are 130 plus. So yeah, okay. See a lot of these exchanges down here as well. We're not going to worry about that too much. A lot of great websites, a lot of great links, a lot of great crypto that is tied to Turbo Crypto as well. I'm just saying this. Turbo is looking awesome. It's been looking more awesome by the day. There have been a lot of good rumors of even more um, sites as far as exchanges going to add Turbo. So Turbo is looking incredible. Just saying, guys. Let's see what else we got here. Toshi, face of base, looking really good here. They have a lot of nice exchanges as well. So looking really good. Coinbase, etc. Crypto.com. Like I said, I think I mentioned before that I would like to see them get a what do you call it? I would like to see them get a if I can remember. Oh, yeah. I would like to see them get on some of these other exchanges, but they're doing pretty well. So let me just see what's going on with some of this. Haven't done much of the X Twitter. Let me go in here real quick. I'm gonna take a look at Turbo, see what they got, and then see if I can find out if they're doing anything special. Let me go to the Turbo token. But yeah, see. They usually have a lot of great artwork. Seeing if they have any special announcements right now. Don't see any per se. Yeah, we had talked about these tangent wallets though. That's pretty cool, man. It's going to be really nice. Well, they're already nice, but just saying, Turbo's got a lot of beautiful artwork, so we know what's up with Turbo. Let me go in there for Toshi real quick. Toshi and the face of base. I really know this is a good one. So let's see if there's anything special. Let me hear him roar. Let me hear him roar. Just a second. Hold on. All right. Let me stop right there. Nice. Ooh. Let's try to see if there's anything special we can see here. A lot of great artwork, a lot of great things going on. Trying to see if there's anything in particular that we want to discuss, but like as usual, just a fantastic website, guys. Really a lot of great artwork going on. And Toshi continues to build, and these two cryptos continue to develop. So, what I can say for sure is if you're going to purchase these or even look into it, if you haven't gotten into them yet, you see how you have this green here. You don't want to buy it right now. Don't buy it right now, especially this one. Don't buy this right now at 31%. Just wait until the stuff cools off. We got a long ways to go before we see all-time highs, etc. So wait till these cool off, and if you want to get in, fine. Also, those you already if you want a dollar cost average, awesome. Just saying, a lot of these, both of these are going to jump a lot higher, and we've got a lot of months to come. Don't forget, we haven't had any quantitative easing yet or anything of that nature. Expect these two cryptos to skyrocket and do much better than they are at the moment. So just saying, they're nowhere near their all-time highs. Of course, we always say not financial advice, guys, but at the same time, you all know that this is looking mighty good. So let's be patient. Buy in the red, not in the green, and let's see what happens. Give it a few more months before we even think about pulling the trigger as far as trying to cash anything out, in my opinion. But it's up to you guys. Not financial advice. It's always your money, but you want to make good profit. I feel like a few months down the road, we're going to be looking at these suckers again. We're going to say, well. This is Al, with Real Life Investing. Have a great one. Talk with you soon. Bye. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Investing. And thank you for watching.